Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new video on unboxing and full review of the Dell LED monitor SE2219H. This is a full HD 22-inch monitor. Now in this lockdown, if you're working from home like me and you're looking for a good affordable monitor, then this video might be useful for you. So let's open the box and see what we have got. So here we have the warranty information first. We also have a VGA cable and a power cable. I don't see any HDMI cable included in the box, so you have to buy your own. Also we have the stand for the monitor. So the monitor is now unboxed, so let's get into the details. At the bottom you have three ports: the power connection, a VGA port and a HDMI port. That's it. There are no USB ports or any speakers in this. If you want a bigger screen, you can obviously go for the 24-inch or the 27-inch version, which will cost you a little more, but the features in all these versions remain more or less the same. Dell has named this as a 22-inch monitor, but it's actually 21.5 inches. Just something that you should know. Now this is an IPS panel with 16:9 aspect ratio. The thickness is less than 2 inches and the weight is about 4.8 kgs. Now it's a full HD 1080p display with 60 Hz refresh rate, which is more than sufficient if you are working from home or watching movies, videos, or even playing games. Next, I will go ahead and connect this up with my laptop. So the monitor is all set up now. Fixing the stand is straightforward and roughly takes about 5 minutes or so. Important thing to note, the tilt of the monitor is adjustable, so you can move it and set it as you prefer, but you cannot adjust the height of this monitor. Now this is something I really miss on this monitor and I wish Dell would have provided that. The bezels on the monitor are very thin on all the sides, as you can see. Dell has done a good job using the complete screen and maximizing the display. Overall quality and material on the screen feels premium. The buttons are located at the bottom of the screen. You have all the settings button and the power button, so you can adjust the brightness, contrast, or display mode from there. You can also go to the main menu and see all the options available. You can select the input for the monitor you have, VGA and HDMI, and also auto select function. I usually keep the auto select on because I connect it with both my work laptop and my personal laptop. Switching between the two inputs every time is somewhat tedious. Also adjusting brightness manually by the buttons is tiresome. But there is a solution to this as well. You can download the Dell Display Manager software that provides all the settings in UI form, and it's pretty handy. You can download this from the Dell's website. I will leave a link below in the description. However, this is available only for Windows. Now this is what the Dell Display Manager looks like on a Windows computer. You can select display mode directly from the UI, and also you can change the brightness and contrast. You can also select the way you want to align multiple windows within the screen, so that's also good. But I won't go into much details about this right now, since that topic is more suitable for a different video. Let me know if you want me to make another video for that. But yeah, just to let you know, this is a great tool to do all the configurations for your Dell monitor. Now let's quickly play some high resolution videos to check out the quality of this display. So that's it. Personally, I think this is a very good display. I have no complaints so far. This monitor costs approximately 120 euros in Netherlands where I bought it, and I think in US also the price is $120, which is very good compared to the other monitors. So it's overall well priced in this range. If you are in the market for an affordable HD monitor and if you can manage with the non-adjustable height, then I think this is definitely a good deal. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and take care.